Hey guys, welcome back to Sip and Dip with Chelsea. Today's video is one of several giveaway videos because I have just hit a mind-blowing milestone, which is 10,000 subscribers. I am still in disbelief. I'm in shock, so beyond grateful. And I'm also grateful because two amazing companies, which is Virgo and Gem and Candy Skincare, have agreed to sponsor a giveaway so y'all can win some prizes and try out their products too. I'll be doing some really easy cheetah print nail art, which is my first time actually doing cheetah print. I've also grabbed some stickers, so we're going to be playing with stickers today. We're going to dabble and play with everything. I'll be using Virgo and Gem's Copacabana, Ballet, and Paris. Stay tuned to the end of the video so that you can enter the giveaway. So I grabbed my Virgo and Gem dip powder liquids, and then I'm going to start with Copacabana first. So I decided to do the 3/4 method for this manicure. No particular reason, I just have a new shape, so I decided to go ahead and build up just a small apex so that it doesn't look too bulky on my square shape nails. So while that dries, I grab Ballet and I'll start on my middle finger now. So another thin stripe down the center of my nail and then dip into the powder and tap off. So it actually dried fairly quick, so I was just touching right here on my pinky nail to make sure it was fully dry, and I used my stiff scrub brush to scrub off all of the excess powder. So this next dip will be a full layer, and I wanted to mention this is something I touched upon in my recent current favorite dip powder liquids video, is I forgot how much I enjoyed Virgo and Gem's liquids. They're a really great consistency. They're sort of comparable to Sparkling Co, I would say, and they're not a super fast dry time, but they are faster, which I am particularly grateful for because I had to actually hurry a little bit. As you can see, I'm doing a lot of multitasking during this video because I have to go get my 2-year-old from preschool. So I filmed this while she was at school and was trying to really get it done before I had to pick her up. And these liquids were perfect because they didn't dry too fast, but they were done by the time I was ready to move on to the next finger, which was perfect. So this third layer is also going to be a full dip, and I wanted to mention, as you can see, the brush fans out really nicely. I found the liquid consistency to be easy to control on the nail. It's so funny, I know I say that, but I forget how much I enjoy certain products or certain brands until you go to grab and play with them again. And of course your preferences change all the time until you play and experiment with other things. So if you're in the market for more liquids, I know I have like 100 suggestions. And honestly, I feel like that's the best problem to have, is that you just have so many brands and companies that you enjoy that you don't know which one you want to use next. So with Valentine's Day right around the corner, I found this picture on Pinterest and I loved it. I felt like all of the mauve-y tones just screamed Valentine's Day, and I knew right away exactly which colors I was going to grab from Virgo because she creates the most beautiful neutral shades. So I wanted to show you here, this is without filing, without shaping. You can see I have a nice subtle arch on my nail already. I could stop here and have been content, but I am going to do clear on top because of those two darker shades. I want it all to be consistent throughout on my whole hand. But I just feel like that speaks volumes about the quality of powder and the liquid, because this is a sort of white neutral shade. And if anybody knows that's been dipping for a while, whites are not user friendly. So I'm going to go ahead and clear cap all of these nails before I start onto those darker shades because I really do not want to contaminate or stain any of these lighter, beautiful shades. So I do want to say a huge thank you to everyone who has subscribed and supported my channel. You guys have no clue how much you have truly changed my entire life, and I am just beyond grateful. I would love to hear feedback if you guys have any of things that you want to see more of on my channel or something you'd like for me to try. I am always open to experimenting and trying new things. So while that dries, I'm going to scrub off all of this clear on my other nails. Like I mentioned, I am hardcore multitasking during this manicure because I got to go get my baby from school. So honestly, by the time I finished scrubbing those other nails, these ones were dry, which I know I've said 100 times, but it is perfect dry time for when you're really needing to finish a manicure and you don't want to wait for it to still be kind of tacky on your nail. I also want to point out that this shade did not stain my skin, which is really impressive because usually those deeper, darker shades do tend to stain my skin a little bit, but this one did not at all. Any redness that you do see around my cuticle area was from a mishap during a practice run and overly aggressively filing. So that was actually just my skin being a little irritated and not the dip powder at all. So this is going to be my last and final layer of color, and then I'm going to dip into the clear. Are y'all going to be doing Valentine's Day manicures? I honestly, like, you guys know I'm obsessed with pink, so any chance I can get to use any type of pink or any mauve shades, I am so down for it. But I would love to hear if you guys plan to do it or what you think kind of embodies Valentine's Day, because I feel like pinks and reds, but I have really been seeing a lot of non-traditional ones that I love too. All right, so now it's time to clear encapsulate. So I'm just going to do another full layer, dip into my clear, and then I can move on to activating. So as you may have noticed, I did change my shape to square, and I'm ready to cut them back to round. I'm just not cut out for the square life anymore. I feel like I just scratch things easier, and those corners, I can't. I don't know how I did it for so many years, but apparently ever since I've gone round for so long now, it's totally my preference on nail shape. So now it's time to activate. So I'm going to apply a very generous layer of this to all of those lighter shades first and then darker. And then I am going to let it dry for 2 minutes. I will be filing and shaping off camera because it's a little bit longer of a video with it having the nail art in it, but I will see y'all in just a sec. All right, I am done, and honestly, it wasn't that bad, so thank you, nail gods, for that. They shined down on me today. So I've got my rubbing alcohol and a lint-free wipe. I'm just gonna cleanse them with alcohol because I am gonna be using gel products on top, so that second layer of activator is not necessary. So I'm using Madame Glam's gel polishes today. So this one here is called Bad Mood, and it is such a vibe. I felt like it paired really nicely with those dip powder colors, and then also Perfect Pink. What I love is that they are vegan, they're cruelty-free, and it's also, some of them are HEMA-free, which is really important to me. So I'm going to use a dotting tool for my Cheetah print, which makes things so simple. It's really easy to do. I'll link all of these products down in my description box. And then I also have this little gel palette here. It comes in a 2-pack, but I will be keeping that out of frame, off of camera, because it really does reflect a lot of glare into the video. So I did want to show you it will be off camera, and that's where I'll have my gel polishes. So I'm going to start up at my cuticle area and then work my way down towards that free edge. So in hindsight, I wish I didn't go so ham on these Cheetah spots. I wish I would have done a little bit less and spaced them out a little bit more. But you know what? If you're not making mistakes, then you're not learning. So hindsight, y'all. But I do love the way it came out in the finished product. So once I'm done placing all of these little pink Cheetah spots, then I'm going to cure for a full 60 seconds in my lamp. So then I'm going to use the other end of my dotting tool. It's a little bit smaller to do all of those borders around the dots I made. I also decided once I finished this to add some more little just brown spots between all of the print and then cured for 60 seconds. I have been dying to use these nail stickers that I bought a little while back. They are so cute. I am so obsessed with all of the prints. So many trendy designs, everything from stars to stripes to whatever you need. I feel like this little packet here has it. So I grabbed this one because I want to use this line instead of doing a hand-drawn line. And I wanted to just show y'all how easy it is to use stickers over dip powder. So I start the free edge over into my sidewall area here without getting it on my skin, so just on my nail. And then once I'm happy with it across my nail, so I'm guiding it, just looking to make sure it's straight, then I push that other edge into my sidewall area as well. That's when I just sort of push it down, make sure it's stuck on there good, and I use my cuticle nippers to cut that extra edge off and then push it back down again to make sure it's nice and stuck and in place. This matte top coat from Dipalicious Nails is phenomenal. It really does give that velvet feel. It's HEMA-free. It's a very nice consistency. It's not super thick. I am so obsessed, and it's very forgiving. It doesn't make you nervous like you're gonna see a ton of imperfections. It really does a great job of filling all of that in. And so what I'm doing here, I'm just applying a very thin layer across the entire nail. But what I want to mention is I like to flip my nail over and let it all level out. So what can happen is when you're doing gel art, you can kind of create an uneven surface on top of your nail. So when you flip your nail over, when you're doing a gel top coat on top, it can really help even it all out and self-level so that it's not such an uneven surface. I'm going to do a quick flash cure in my lamp and then move on to the other nails. So I follow those same steps, just doing a really thin, even layer across all of the other nails. And then I do a full 60-second cure once I am all done. Y'all, these are the colors that speak to my soul. I love pink, I love mauves, neutrals, all of it. And for my first cheetah print, lessons were learned. I won't go so ham on the spots next time, but I really think it all came together nicely. So I've got Fresh Fall Fig here from Candy's Skincare. I am still obsessed with all of those fall scents that she launched, so I still keep using them. I'm not quite ready to dive into winter apparently. But I wanted to show you, Candy's Skincare offers so much more than pens. She has 1-ounce sizes. She has these in roller balls now, which I love. I keep a roller ball in my purse because it doesn't lay down as much oil, so it doesn't make me feel, super oily when I'm out and about, and by my bedside. I love it by my bedside, so I don't have to worry about it getting on my sheets or anything like that. And then another must-have product, if you are entering in this giveaway today, is the body butter. It is like chapstick for your skin. I am so obsessed. Sorry again about the lighting change, but I love this product. And she has so many unbelievable scents and offers way more than just all of these products here too. She has scrubs and lotions. Can't say enough amazing things about her products. So I'm going to apply a really generous amount of this all over my cuticles and around on my nails. I like to apply a lot of it because I rub it in all down my fingertips and on my other hand. I feel like you can never have enough of this, and it really does soothe your skin, especially if you're like me and you accidentally nick it with your nail file. So let's chat about this first giveaway. So there's going to be 2 winners. One winner is going to win a $50 gift card to Virgo and Gem, and the other winner is going to win a $50 gift card to Candy's Skincare. The giveaway is going to end in 1 week, so make sure you enter before then, and here is how you're going to enter. Just make sure you are subscribed to my channel. please like this video. It really helps me out with the algorithm. And then comment down below and let me know the best way to reach you. So whether that be your Instagram handle or an email address, so that I can reach out and get your information and let you know that you won. Thank you guys so much again for not just watching today's video, but all of the support, the love, the kindness, everything that you have shown me over these past years. I'm beyond, y'all. I have no words. I'm just so grateful, and I appreciate y'all being here on this journey with me. Thank you so much to the sponsors of today's giveaway. Make sure you stay tuned because I have a few more giveaway videos for y'all to enter in. And I hope y'all have an amazing day. I'll see you in the next video.